Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have admin access, so open the Google Admin Console and go straight to Devices, right arrow Chrome Devices. Once there, make sure your admin account has 2FA enabled. This protects policy changes. Next, import your CSV of devices or users so you can target the right org unit. Do this now. Select the org unit, click Add, and choose Upload CSV. Doing these steps first prevents misapplied policies and saves rollback time later. Once the org unit is selected, open user and browser settings to configure policies. You set extension controls, update schedules, safe browsing, and network rules. Do this carefully because policy inheritance applies top-down. For extensions, use force install for mandatory tools and whitelist trusted ID. This ensures compliance without user action. Also set auto-update cadence and proxy settings. These change device behavior across your fleet. If you want staged rollout, create a test OU and apply policies there first to verify effects. Finish by saving policies and pushing a device sync. You can force sync from the console to speed deployment. Monitor device status and recent policy application logs to confirm success. If devices show errors, use remote commands to collect logs or reboot affected machines before retrying deployment. Make sure to verify CSV formatting and that the admin has the correct scope. Permission gaps or policy inheritance often cause failures. If nothing else works, revert to the test OU and iterate on the policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.